सिगां बिदि नङामोन र' माथो दाना मानो बिदि जालांखोथाय बिटिआर मोननानै लन्थं मडार्न जुगसो फैबाय ओमफ्रायहाय आंबो सिगां बिदि नङामोन मानो बिदि जालांखोथाय दाना गाबोननिफ्राय गावनि न'आवनो हाजिरा मावनांसिगोन आं 1 थारिखनिफ्राय थांगासिनो दं नै ओमफ्राय आरो सिगां बिदि नङामोन र' माथो प्रमद बर' साराबो दाना मानो बिदि जालांखोथाय इंलिससो होग्रा जाबावबाय बै गामि गोथौनि आइ आफाया बुजिगोन ना बुजियाथाय नायलांग्रोजोबदो एसे दा आं खावखादों वाट दिसप्ला दिसप्ला इउ गुब गाब केरासिन ना मा होनो आबैमोना इंलिस रायलायनाया नैबेबायदिसो होलांखाबाय नायग्रोदो इन्टारेस्टिं
what we have realized since independence, our constitution is the guiding and leading the whole nation towards equality and also to provide right to each and every citizens. But before that and after that, we have lots of communities. As constitution, we are citizens of this country. Other side, we have communities also, and these communities we can say that when it was formed, and its tradition, culture, customs, everything's it's alive, and the wish and aspirations of each community is to survive with their own identity, culture, language, tradition, and everything. So, because of the huge population in the country, maybe for other reasons, some communities felt alienated, deprived, and discriminated. So sometimes there is a voice from those communities that we are not getting our due rights. It is a small effort from government of BTR to ensure their rights and provide them justice and equality through this initiative of the preparing vision document. It is a two-way initiative. One is to give some focused activities to the communities, and other is to make a planning for government functionaries, government machineries, so they can realize and they can feel that these are the issues, these are the problems, these are the grievances, and these are the aspirations of the people that we need to bring it in the policy and also address it so that these people, the native people of the country, can live with their identity and culture with dignity, and they feel proud of our country.
So this will be the long-term vision?
Yes, it is long-term vision. After today, we'll have a separate department to look after these issues and also implement whatever mentioned in the vision documents.